Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I painted this realistic rose with watercolors. In order to paint this rose realistic later, I spent longer time on the sketch, trying to give each petals the same shape as how they look in the reference photo.
She never made it on.
Now I get my brush wet and touch a little bit red color to give the first layer of my rose.
And all the signs point east into the rising sun. It's easy just to lay her in her bed.
As you see, there were some petals edge is the highlight part, so I leave them white with the paper color right now. Shadow part need more red colors. As you see from the reference photo, the shadow part is on the bottom part of each petal, the center of the flower, and the space between two petals which are next to each other.
And you always will.
Sometimes we give the flower a little bit other colors that you can't see by your eyes. In this case, I use purple color to the shadow of my rose to get my shadow even darker, and use a little bit green to one of the petals to make it really like a natural rose feeling.
A younger couple just walked by, wearing new joy in their eyes. Stopped to stare a minute, pretending we're still in the place where I look deep inside. Walked into the windy night, Union Square dressed in all lights. I had to ignore all the things that I had.
For the background part, I used the green color with a lot of water to indicate that is the leaves or the stem or the grass. I'm not going to give the background too much details because for the composition of my painting, the rose is the only focus.
Stay.
The whole process of coloring something with your watercolor. You can do this process again and again until you're satisfied with the result. You probably need several hours or several days to complete one painting, but for the good result, it was to spend this long time. Just be patient and you will get a really cute flower that you like.
All the signs point east into the rising sun. It's easy just to lay her in her bed. The light crept slowly up the wall, just like it wasn't there at all. And if I can lie my way through the rose I didn't get from you, maybe you won't have to call and say you love me still. And you always will. Stay. to stare a minute, pretending we're still in the place where I look deep inside. Walked into the windy night, Union Square dressed in all lights. I had to ignore all the things that I had said before. You turned and asked me, please, just one more time, say you love me still. And you always will stay.
The last thing is to give the petal texture details. In this part, please pay attention on your reference photo because the texture is not going to show on all the areas on all petals. Some part with the light, you can't see the details from your reference photo, so just leave that part alone. And most important thing is you should add your details after your whole painting is completely dried, so you won't mess up all your painting.
Guess it'll be another day, and all the signs point east into the rising sun. It's easy just to lay her in her bed. The light crept slowly up the wall, just like it wasn't there at all. And if I can lie my way through the prose I didn't get from you, maybe you won't have to call and say you love me still. And you always will stay. A younger couple just walked by,
And I added dew to my flower. It looked pretty cute. Dew is easy to paint. The edge is supposed to be the shadow of the dew, and the color mostly is a lighter color from the background because it's transparent, and then there will be a highlight with the light. And I use some titanium white acrylic color to refine some highlight part of my petals and the highlight part of the dew.
Ask me, please, just one more time, say you love me still. And you always will stay. signs point east into the rising sun. It's easy just to lay in her
So
bed.
that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video of painting a realistic rose. If you like my videos, please follow me with my YouTube channel or follow me with my Instagram. I will continue to do more artworks and do more videos. Please leave me a comment if you have any suggestions or any questions. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you next time.